Welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers. All right, today,
Look at that beautiful key lime pie.
today we're going to show you how to make this original Daddy Jack's key lime pie. It's one of the best key lime you'll ever eat, I promise. Anyway, let's get cooking.
Let's eat.
All right, we're getting ready to start to make some homemade key lime pie, which we did at Daddy Jack's also.
Awesome.
With my friend Jack.
What do you got there?
I got some condensed milk, Nellie and Joe's famous Key West lime juice.
Can you use any lime juice, or does it have to be that
Oh,
one?
I wouldn't recommend it.
Okay.
I would use Nellie and Joe's. They're definitely the best key lime juice. That little, leave that on. Those little green plastic limes with that lime juice in it is not good.
Okay. Good tip.
All right, let's put we're gonna put 8 cans in there. Let's see. Those are some, I already bought the shells already made, the 10-inch, it's just graham cracker crust.
Beautiful.
And also, we're gonna probably crack about, I don't know, 8 eggs in here. Also too, you wanna put the key lime juice in the very last, because the acid and the lime juice will start cooking it.
Oh.
And I put it in the oven at very low temperature, maybe like 200 maybe, and it cooks in no time at all. Maybe 20 minutes.
How many pies are we making?
2.
2 pies? Oh, good. Honestly, folks, I never cared for key lime pie until I tasted this recipe. Crazy for it.
And it's so simple. Yeah. I'll set the oven on like 200.
Okay. How's it look, Mama?
Looking good.
I haven't done anything to it yet. All right, we got our condensed milk here. Also too, some people add more sugar to condensed milk, which you do not need. Trust me. It's got a lot of sugar. And I have 10 eggs here. Probably use 8 or whatever, 8 to 10 eggs. I'm gonna use 2 whole eggs and then the rest yolk, just the yolk.
Come on out.
All right, we're just gonna mix this up. I'm gonna add our heavy cream in a little bit, and then our Nellie and Joe's famous key lime juice. What is that, a quart of cream we got?
Yeah.
I used about 75% of it. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit.
Very nice. Looks good already.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna put a key lime juice in there, huh?
Use both bottles for that?
I might need, believe it or not, it needs a lot of juice. That might be enough, we'll see. I like it real tart anyway. Watch, you're gonna see, it'll start thickening up and start cooking the ingredients in the key lime juice.
Yeah.
That's why you don't need to cook it that long.
Ah,
You know, just
citrus.
yeah,
Citrus.
just
cooks it.
see that? Look how thick
Oh,
it
look
got.
how thick that got. Wow. Nice.
does need more key lime. That should do it. All right, let's pour these in here.
Oh, that looks good already.
Beautiful. Oh, yeah.
You could actually make 3 pies out of that, huh?
Yeah, well, we're gonna put this in the, no, I don't know if we'll make 3, but we're gonna put that in a small Pyrex pan without anything, and just bake it, and
Oh, yeah.
you feed it to the kids or whoever you want.
Yeah, yeah. I guess this is the keto version.
Well, I don't know about that with all the sugar in there.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell the keto diet is anyway. Beautiful. Look
No
at
carbs.
That. Yeah.
There's a lot of carbs in this, man.
Is
Sugar.
there?
Well,
Oh, the sugar. Yeah. Okay.
All right.
All right, let's get them in the oven.
All right, we're gonna put our extra key lime and bake it, and you can make little squares when it gets really cold. And don't forget, usually we used to let it set, you know, in the refrigerator for 24 hours to get it really cold. So, but you know, after 3 or 4 hours in the fridge, you probably can use it. But we always made like 20 pies for Daddy Jackson, and they went fast.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. We're gonna put the pies now.
Beautiful.
And that's it.
All right. How long we gonna let that cook for about?
I don't know, we'll check it in about 20 minutes.
Okay.
Should take between 20 and 30 minutes.
Yeah, and we have it on 200 degrees.
All right, we're gonna make a little cream for the key lime pies. So we'll make them now and put it in the fridge. I'm gonna add a little sugar, maybe half a cup of sugar. This is only gonna be for 1 pie anyway. And
About a
some
pint.
heavy cream. Yeah, it looks like about a pint.
Yeah.
All right, looks like our fresh homemade whipped cream is ready.
Man, these mixes come in so handy. I mean, I actually found an affordable KitchenAid. If you look down below our link, I've got a Amazon link to where you can actually purchase one of these KitchenAids at a really good price.
Yeah, they are great.
We get a light, fluffy, beautiful.
You got room for this now?
All right, pies are ready. And here's the
And this is the one for key lime squares.
Beautiful.
Great with vanilla bean ice cream.
All right. Pies have been chilling.
Right, we're gonna get our fresh whipped cream out here. And top it.
Oh yeah, look at that. Nice thick cream.
Dom's in his room?
No.
I thought he was in his room. Oh, look at that pie.
Wow.
Isn't that a beautiful pie? Put it all on there.
Right.
Oh my God, look at that.
All right. Let's
Happy
test out this-
Halloween.
Let's test this out. Look at that pie. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that nice, creamy. Oh,
Where's all the little plates?
oh my God. One of the best key lime pies you'll ever eat. I promise. You got to try this recipe. Anyway, we appreciate the subscribers. Thanks for watching. And if you don't mind, hit that like button. And we'll see you next time. Say goodbye, Don.
Ciao. See you next week.